Okay, so we're going to go into B&M Bargains. I'm going to do this as like the introduction for the video because I'm not doing a haul after this. So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a little like come shop with me around B&M Bargains and just kind of see what they've got going. And the lights just turned off in the car. Let me open that door. Just see what they've got and buy a few bits, but nothing too important. So let's just go and have a look what they've got. So much Christmas stuff in already. So yeah, I didn't realise how many actually good brands they had here. Look, like Maybelline, NYX, Max Factor, a CC cream, like W7. It's quite a big section. I used to literally get like nail polishes and stuff from Poundland and Pound World because they had Revlon ones for £1. But I don't know if they do them anymore. I used to go in every week and get new colours. I'm gonna get these really thick household gloves, which are £1.69, and they're so thick as well. And oh my god, they've even got like a fleece on the inside. So let's get those. But they've got really good like microfiber. What are these? Do we need any more sponges? No, I don't remember. I think we might have enough sponges. This stuff's supposed to be really good. Like that, just like pop it in the wash, and that's only £1.99. I love like all the scent things. Ooh, vanilla latte, spiced apple. I bet that would be good. Febreze spiced apple, £1.49. What else have they got? Did you ever have these things at your house?
Not the
little
Peter.
plug-in things.
No, I've got the plug-in ones. I've got the ones where you walk past.
Febreze have got like look. Febreze have got like little, what are they called? Diffusers. Yeah. £2.99 in the winter scents. These are the things I want, so I might just get 3 and then I'll give one to my mum. One of each scent. I'm going to give one to her. They're only £1 each. They've got the winter spice, cranberry orange and the warm cinnamon. But they don't have any of like the really regular ones here. They've only got like a huge one. So can you see any other scents? Oh no, they've got, I literally can't. There must be some more. Oh, the Country Garden at the back. I've not really smelled that one. So Zoflora used for literally everything. It's just a disinfectant that you can, it's very concentrated, so you just add water to it and you can use it in like the sink, shower, literally anywhere. You can even put it in a spray bottle and then just spray it around the house and it's really good. Some of them I've not heard, got Kaplunk. I've not heard of all of them, but
Got like Cluedo, Monopoly down there.
the classics. Apparently they're really good, the Dettol floor wipes. That was my shoe. Apparently they're really good, but I think Aldi do them, so I don't know where to get the Aldi ones. Well, this is supposed to be like this disinfectant spray. You just can put it on stuff like
Cushions.
door handles, what you touch all the time. It disinfects all door handles. And that's only £1.79. But you just put it, look, if it's good if you've got a cold and obviously like you're moving stuff and like touching stuff around the house, and just spray this everywhere. And that's only £1.79.
You know you're the only one that's going to use that.
Yeah, I will use it. As a Pringle addict, this is the kind of thing that I would love. Like, you get all of them for £4.99. Oh my god, look how many Biscoffs you get for £1. And they're all in those little fresh packs as well. This is such a cute little set. Like, I love this one, the striped one. It's only £7.99 and it's basically like hot chocolate for 2. Magic cream mat. Oh, I love like fluffy blankets. Oh my god, this is what I was telling you about. Like a jersey feeling linen.
How much is it?
£20. I've never had it before, but I feel like it'd be amazing for a bed. What else they got? Loads of cushions. They've got all the oh my god, they've got like.
Yeah, there's
What?
Hogwarts welcome mats.
Oh, I bet it's at the bottom, isn't it? Yeah, they're all Harry Potter. Wait, Harry Potter's down here. Platform 9 3/4 this way. I made such a mess.
What have you done? Have you lost them all? Jesus. Just walking away like you did nothing.
Wasn't me. So These crisps are literally like my childhood. I remember bringing these to school. So we're going to bring these on the Eurostar and they're £1. I literally haven't seen these in so many years. I didn't even realise they still existed, but they are the Jacob's Baked Crinkles in cheese onion flavour. Yeah, we've got to the decor aisle. And they've got, oh, they scented. Quite like cinnamony. But I really wanted to make my own wreath, which I mentioned in my Home Sense Follow Me Around. But these are like, I was looking on Amazon and they were so expensive on eBay. These are only $3.99. I need to buy the actual wreath to put them on though.
That's awful.
That is horrendous. So they've got these candles which are literally like wood-wicky ones that crackle, and it's just like basically being at an open fire. And they're only $7.99, and they've got small ones that are $4.99. They've got like a pumpkin waffle candle. These are my favourite, but I don't need any more candles. But then they've also got these, which are literally like perfect for flowers. They've got really nice like coffee mugs and everything. Like, look at all these. What do these say? It's Raining Men, Hallelujah. There's mermaids who just want to have fun. Really nice mugs. And these glasses, thermos flasks, egg packs. They're literally like I've never been. Oh, look at the baking stuff behind you. They've got a unicorn, like unicorn cakes, rainbow cakes, unicorn ice cubes.
This store will be closing in 20 minutes. Thank you for shopping at B&M.
20 minutes. Do they have one of those egg wraps?
An egg roll?
No, they don't. No egg wrap. I really want one of those things that like like an egg rack where they like go down in a spiral, like those fairground rides. A little bit of Harry Potter. They have really cute stocking fillers, like these little hot chocolate things here with the mugs. Hot chocolate for one. Look how cute they are. Oh, I love diffusers like that. I've got one of those from Amazon. They're amazing. Little jellyfish tank. Laser light. So much. Oh my god, festive photo props. Bottoms up Brenda bottle opener. Amazing. Amazing. Have you seen those magic 8 balls? Well, there's a film where there's a magic 8 ball, but like I literally can't remember what film it is. So many costumes. That's actually amazing because ours doesn't have the spoon, does it?
What?
For the pumpkin. You know, usually we have to grab it with our hands.
Still have to do that anyway, pretty much.
But that spoon gets everything out because we always have to grab everything with our hands.
Do you want to have that then?
Get your slippers in here. Ooh, $4.99. I like those. Got underwear, ladies' full briefs, cute little unicorns. I think we've got everything. Let's do a quick brief of the basket before we go. Pumpkin carving, crisp, chocolate for the train, hot chocolate, Sephora, Vanish, Dettol, Dettol again, and some gloves. Oh, and these are like just over £1. What else? Chocolate fingers.
Sephora, Vanish.
Essentials.
Dettol, Maltesers, fingers, Snickers, gloves, cookie.
Everything. If I ever ask for a Range Rover, please don't give me this. But I know you're the kind of person who will literally be like, I got you a Range Rover, look outside, and it's this.
Right. I'd make sure like I actually built up a frame as well, and with like wood, so it looked like
and like you're going to unveil it, and it's just like this, like ta-da.
I would go to the full effort to completely troll you.
I know you would. We've also got loads of stationery. Obsessed with stationery. What cute things have we got here today then? Kind of more like kids themed stationery, more for back to school, I think.
That's perfect for you then.
No. Love a pick and mix. Which ones are my faves? Okay, the film in here. Oh my god, them. I could not stop eating them in Spain. They are literally, if you haven't tried, go try. Black and raspberry. Non-Pariels, if that's how you say it. Movies in here. Great film. The OG. Does anyone else like love these for Christmas? Like when you just get these little tubes and you knew when you were younger what they were? Like you literally knew.
I've never got jelly tots. Always
You never
forgot.
got. I always got Smarties. I've got pink ones, just orange Smarties. Okay, yeah,
I was
Smarties.
genuinely depressed when I got like a Smarties over a fruit pastel.
They've got drumsticks now. Yeah, fruit pastels are great. Fruit pastels and Smarties. The gift ideas right there. Stocking fillers, but they're always wrapped up for me, so I knew what it was, and I was like, oh, I was surprised it's some more Smarties. We've literally got like a bush tucker trial with actual worms and crickets in it. I'd eat those two at the top, but no thank you. Look how cute that is. That looks so nice. And those coffee sets. Dipping set. Oh, I love this. Got like an actual wok. So we've just finished, and we turn that music off. We've literally just finished in B&M, and literally the bag is like really ripping. We only got a 5p bag, and all of this only cost us like £22. So I don't think I want to do a haul on this one because it wasn't too exciting, and I kind of showed what was in the basket. But if you want me to do more B&M hauls or come shop with us at B&M, then leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.